What's up, guys? So we're back and better than ever. No, I'm just kidding. So I decided to vlog today because it's Friday, and I always like vlogging at school on Fridays because like I just said it again. Take a shot every time I say It's just fun, and we normally start school later on Fridays. So with that being said, right now I have to go get gas, and then, so I don't start school until 9:15. However, basically, my friend Sophia, my friend Riley, and maybe my friend Katie. Well, Katie's coming, but Riley and Sophia don't know that because Katie was like, I want to sleep in. And then Katie woke up early anyway, so Katie's like, I'm just going to go with you guys. We're all going to go to coffee before. But we're all going to meet at school. And then we're all just going to take one car together because our school is like 10 minutes away from Phil's. That's where we're going. There's like a Phil's, like our school is near the downtown area of where our school like is, like the city. Girl, what the fuck you trying to say right there? That did not make any sense at all. I have to get gas because I have 15 miles left, supposedly. So that's not good because I won't make it to school. So, but anyways, I just got gas. Full tank, baby. Anyways, so I'm on my way to school, as I've said before, and whoa, try again. It's a unanimous decision. I should just not talk anymore. And yes, this is Dolan Twin Christmas merch. Yes, in case you're wondering. Oh my god, it's what's up, guys? So we're. Yo, why am I friends with this bitch? Casey's like, can I sing for you or whatever? Yeah, I seen that. If this man. Why do you want to sing? Okay, I'm gonna play. Should we do it? Yeah. Why do you yeah, just do it. Okay, that's really. Power was out. I don't know if I'm gonna cut that. Yeah, what the fuck happened? So it was like a cable and only 20 people. And I happened, oh my, there's Megan. And I happened to be one of them. Hey. And so my sister, I was like, oh my god, this is like Bird Box. And then this dumb bitch starts doing the Bird Box challenge and hits a glass out of my hand and breaks it. And it's like, it's pitch black. It's like 7 o'clock at night. And it's like in the area where the dog is supposed to like roam around. So then we had to move all of his stuff in the fucking dark. And like, you didn't step on glass? No, because my mom cleaned it, but like, we couldn't use a vacuum because there's no power. Fuck you and your. So we couldn't use the vacuum because there's no power. And so my mom had to like scoop it up with a paper towel. It was so bad. Here, I'm gonna play it. That reaction to Riley is very funny. Yes, it is comedy gold. Yes, I did not tell her to do that. And what this kind of damn week. Oh my god, I hate you so much. Sounds like them. Hey, you painted your nails? I did this morning. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys. So guys, we've made it to Phil's.
Phil's kind of Emma Chamberlain things, you know, Emma Chamberlain.
Stop. You embarrass me. Riley. Okay, so we're at Phil's. Katie, but what are you gonna get?
You know what I'm gonna get? I came to Phil's and I
They don't do lattes here.
What did Gabby get me?
She probably got you a Tesora.
Hot chocolate.
Riley, what are you gonna get?
She's getting ice to static.
Okay, go.
You know, I just got that green chili burrito. Oh god. Yeah, shit. It's very hot. Yeah, it kind of burned me. Oh shit. No, it's not.
No.
Yo, Riley's about to get pranked epic style right now. Yeah.
What'd you get right?
What the fuck is that? I only have a couple. Okay, I'll start listening to this one.
I like it. Shoot.
I only have like the most popular ones.
Shit.
I don't know what she's saying. I literally can't.
What?
I can't understand what you're saying. Dude, you really can't fucking. No, I really don't know what you're saying.
Hey guys.
Francis.
So
How away we are.
we're 13 minutes away.
We're so right on time.
No, we're gonna get there at 9:10. So basically,
No, we're gonna get there at 9:05.
We better.
Go 80.
go 80 in downtown.
Yes.
Dude, one time I just want to eat pressed freezes.
Like the whole day and see what that does to my body. Press freeze 24-hour 3 times a day challenge.
Oh my, this is Max.
That's why my teeth yellow.
Yeah. Look at it.
Guys, in just 2 months we'll be graduating right there.
Don't even talk about that. Don't even say that. I hate talking about. I hate talking about graduation so much.
No, I've never.
So from that statement, you can conclude that I am a high school forever type bitch, and that's okay. That is on. I don't know what that's on, but I'm a high school forever type bitch. That is my personality trait. Fully diver.
Yeah. No, not even. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we saw him at Memorial Auditorium. Him and Kaylin.
Yeah.
Dress, watch out for those eyes, cause she's armed and dangerous like bow.
What's this?
Tyler.
What was that? Wasn't it his birthday the other day?
Yeah, his birthday was like 2 days ago. Tyler, I don't even know how to pronounce his last name, so I'm not even gonna try it.
It's the creator.
Rosemary.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go. There's no cop in the car.
Ah, what the fuck? Oh my god! I can't see it!
This song makes me feel
some type of way. Oh, whoa.
God made us best friends because parents couldn't handle us as sisters.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
This makes me. And
Yeah, so we're in civics right now. I got my prayer because I go to a Catholic school. Mine's on some notebook paper. Sophia's running in the class.
Here comes that. The girl's here.
This week. Hello. So, hey guys.
Hello.
We're at lunch right now. National Women's Day, we're pink.
hey, it's National Men's Day.
Look at these.
That's a good one. Look at all these men.
Where? It's an all-girl school. Go.
Yes, Sarah.
Okay, Catherine, go.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna tell you a joke. Okay, what do you call a guy with no shins? Tony!
Erin really wants to be in it.
You know what I mean? Wait, do you want to see me do the knife challenge on my hands with this needle?
No.
Oh!
She's gonna do it anyways.
So, what do I stare at? Catherine, shit. Stop. Stop. That's not okay.
Lily.
Wait. Vlog. Come here, vlog. Go in the vlog.
Oh my god, what are you doing, Catherine?
Ready? It's just, you know, no big deal.
God, you're like a psychopath.
I'm not on crack.
You're not on crack? I never said you were on
I
crack.
just assumed. Why are you talking like this?
Because so it shows my face.
Can you vlog on my... What's up, guys? I'm back here playing a good old game of solitaire, and Tiana froze her enzymes.
Oh shoot, this is gonna die. Okay, bye. You're just gonna keep on living, man. Livin. Do your flow charts. Riley, you gotta say something?
I just got an 8 out of 20 on my
Him.
on my cast. Quiz. It was a quiz.
A quest. Are you gonna quiz? And like, my camera's about to die. But yeah, guys, quote for the day. You just gotta keep on living, man. Livin.